I'm Anand. And I'm Margaret. We are from Exit Public School. We are excited to share our eco friendly project, Mulch Mats, made from dried leaves for home garden and small pot plants. Every day, so many dried leaves fall around us. Most of the time, we sweep them away, burn them, or throw them out. But burning leaves causes air pollution, and throwing them away wastes a natural resource.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 10-15 ಚೀಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸಲ್ಲಿ ಸುತ್ತ ಗುಡಿಸ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು 10 ಚೀಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. 10 ಚೀಲದ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಒಂದು ವಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಒಂದು ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ವಾರದ್ದೇನೆ. ಒಂದು ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ವಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
We thought instead of letting these leaves go waste, why don't we turn them into something useful for gardening? Home gardeners often face problems like soil drying quickly, weeds growing in pots, and plants needing frequent watering, especially in summers. That's where our idea comes in. We created mulch mats, simple, biodegradable mats that sit on top of the soil in your pot and help your plants stay healthy. These mats reduce water evaporation, keeps the soil moist, and even help control weed growth. And the best part, they're 100% natural because we make them using dried leaves, a natural binder, and a mild fungicide to prevent fungal infection. Here's how we make them. First, we collect and clean the dried leaves, then we shred them and mix them with the binder and a little safe fungicide. Next, we place the mixture on a dried bottle guard that acts as a mold and press it firmly. After that, we dry the mats in the sunlight until they become strong and ready to use. We can make mulch mats in different sizes for balcony pots, terrace gardens, and even indoor planters. They slowly decompose over time and enrich the soil, making them both useful and eco friendly. We tested our product by placing the mats in a grow bag and monitored the soil moisture levels. Our project shows as simple as a dried leaves can give a valuable gardening product. I worked on documentation and mulch mats. And I worked on the testing of the mat and mulch mat.